In this video, we will look at image tag, where we can import some images or display some images on the web page. So image is also a self-closing tag. We can use different attributes like alternate, width, and height. So let's see how does it work. So let's create our file within the folder and images.html. Okay, so let's create the skeleton for that. Images or image tag. So if I want to import or just show any image, so what I need to do, I need to use image tag for that, and I want to open that source. src means source file. The source file is the image link that you want to open. So I have already one image in my directory.html in the same directory. So what I need to do, I need to write html.png. So I have that file in my directory. And alternate means if you have some problem, any problem with image that is not being opened, so you can use alternate for that. So this is HTML logo. Okay, so now let's see the result. So let's copy the path, paste over here. Let's see. So this is the file opened, or the image that I have linked with my HTML page. So if sometime I have problem with this, or at the image name is not written or not found, so what will be displayed over here. So just save that and refresh this file. So you can see that this alternate text will be shown. So this is the image, any image you want to give information in alternate. So I will write G over here, PNG, and I will refresh the page. You can see the image over here. So what we can do more with this is the image or the size of the image that will be displayed on the page. So if I want to increase the size or the width of the image, so what I need to do, I need to define some attributes width, and I want to write the width of this is 100. So you will see the result. So now you can see that this is the width of, you can also define the height for that. So I can define the height also 100. You will see this image is defined as a width and height. So if I write 300 and 300 by 300, so you will see the result. This is 300 by 300. So I can write 600 and 600. So you will see. So this is the image size defined by using width and height. Some more attributes about image tag we can use, that is we can give space horizontally, vertically, and we can give border to the image, and we can align the image into center, left, right, top, and bottom. So let's see how does it work. First of all, we will decrease the size of the image. We will give 200 width and 200 height, and let's refresh the logo of the HTML. So what you need to do, we need to align the, we want to give some align is equal to, if you want to give alignment to this image, left, and this is already left, so, and you want to give it, and you want to place this image on right. So you will see that if I refresh this, it will be moved to the right. If you want to copy the same line and paste over here, if I want to place this to left, and I will refresh the page, you can see that one is on the left and one is on the right. So if I copy the same line and I will give the center, so you will see the result. So one is placed in the center. So if I copy the same line and paste over here and I place it on the top, it is already on the top, so I don't think so it is placed on the top. So if I copy this same line and I will place it in the bottom, so you will see that one will be placed in the bottom. So this is how we can align the image, and we can work more with the image. One more thing that we can do with image is we can give some space between these images. Means these images are placed around each others. So if I want to give some space between each other, so what I need to do, I need to write h space, mean horizontal space, is equal to 20, or you need to create, okay, yeah, so this is good. And if I want to give this horizontal space between these images, vertical space 50. So what I need to do, I just need to refresh the file, so you can see that this image has been targeted vertically. So for the better result, I have kept the name skype.jpg and html.png. So I have placed two images over here. So you can see that these are two images placed over here. So I want to make some space from the top, and want to give some space from the left. So what I need to do, I need to define some h space and v space. When I defined v space, mean it's vertical space. So let's you can see the result over here. So if I defined v space, it's vertical space, so it will give a bit 100 space from the top. So if I want to give some space from the left, so what I need to do, I need to define h space in horizontal space. We can write like this. So the some space will be given from the left. Again, the same thing I can also apply with for the Skype logo. So what I need to do, I need to v space is equal to 100, or we can also write 50, 500, and h space is equal to 100. So what I need to do, I need to refresh the page, so you can see that this space has been made using the Skype ID. I can also give border to that image. Border is equal to 10. So let's see. You will see that you can place a border to that image. So you can also give border to that image to Skype also. Border is equal to 20. So you will see that. So this is the border given to the Skype. So you can also border for that, and you can also make some space from the left to right using h space and v space. If you want to rename your page, or you want to give a title and subtitle to that image, so how you can give some figure or some text to that image. So okay, how we can do that? So let's see. For that reason, I need to remove border, or I want to give the border to 5, decrease to 5, and also to this 5. And I want to remove this, I want to make this comment. So what I need to do, I want to make my figure tag, I want to write my figure tag, and I want to cut that and paste over here. So this is the image tag that I want to replace over here. What I can do with this, fig caption. So we need to write the tag fig caption, and using fig caption I can, this is HTML logo. So let's see the result. you can see that. So we have some problem with this, and let's come to code editor. Okay, so we have V space and H space. So if you want to make the caption near to that image, so you need to remove this and save this file and come to your file, and let's see. Now you saw, so now you have the caption under your image. If you want to give some title to that, so you can also write this over here, fig caption, and also write your fig caption over here, and also imagine complete. So this is the title of the image. So now if you refresh this, you can see that this is the title of image and this is the caption for the image.